Morocco is a country rich in culture and traditions, with a diverse population that includes Arab, Berber, and African influences. The customs and traditions of Morocco are deeply rooted in the country's history and religion, creating a unique and vibrant tapestry of practices that have been passed down through generations. One of the most important aspects of Moroccan culture is hospitality. Moroccans are known for their warm and welcoming nature, and guests are often treated with great respect and generosity. It is common for visitors to be offered tea and snacks upon arrival, and it is considered impolite to refuse these offerings. Another important tradition in Morocco is the celebration of religious holidays. Islam is the predominant religion in the country, and religious festivals such as Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha are widely observed. During these holidays, families come together to pray, share meals, and exchange gifts. Moroccan cuisine is also an integral part of the country's culture. Traditional dishes such as tagine, couscous, and pastilla are enjoyed by Moroccans and visitors alike. Meals are often shared with family and friends, and eating together is seen as a way to strengthen bonds and foster community. Moroccan music and dance are also important cultural traditions. The country is known for its vibrant music scene, with genres such as chabi, rai, and nawa being popular among both locals and tourists. Traditional dances such as the ahidis and the gaydar are also performed at weddings and other special occasions. In addition to these customs and traditions, Morocco is also known for its rich history and architecture. The country is home to numerous historic sites, including the ancient city of Marrakesh, the medieval Medina of Fez, and the Roman ruins of Volubilis. Overall, the customs and traditions of Morocco are a reflection of the country's diverse heritage and the values of hospitality, community, and respect that are deeply ingrained in Moroccan society.